In a crisis, when the taps run dry and bottled water disappears from shelves, the most critical resource becomes water. Without it, survival is measured in days. In today's video, we'll dive into essential skills for locating and purifying water when your supplies run dry. From finding hidden water sources to creating DIY filtration systems and understanding the dangers of contaminated water, this knowledge could save your life. Welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper, where we dive deep into survival strategies for the most challenging situations. This is episode 9 of our SHTF Survival Series, and today, we're tackling one of the most critical aspects of survival: water. When supplies run dry, finding and purifying water can be the difference between life and death. Let's jump in and learn the essential skills you need to secure this vital resource. Section 1. Understanding the importance of water. Water is life. While you can survive weeks without food, your body can only go 3 days without water. Dehydration leads to fatigue, confusion, and eventually, organ failure. In an SHTF scenario, securing a reliable source of clean water should be your top priority. Section 2. Locating hidden water sources. Finding water is the first challenge. In urban areas, look for abandoned wells, rainwater collection points, and even water heaters or toilet tanks. Out in nature, streams, rivers, and lakes are obvious choices, but don't overlook less apparent sources like dew on plants, natural springs, or digging for groundwater in low-lying areas. In forests, plants like vines or bamboo can sometimes yield drinkable water when cut. Remember, water can often be found in unexpected places. Learn to recognize the signs. Section 3. Purifying water. Essential techniques. Once you've found water, the next step is making it safe to drink. Contaminated water can carry deadly pathogens, so purification is crucial. Boiling is the simplest and most effective method. It kills bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute, 3 minutes at higher altitudes. Filtration is another method. A basic DIY filter can be made with a plastic bottle, layers of sand, charcoal, and gravel. While this removes many impurities and particles, always follow up with boiling or chemical treatment to ensure safety. Chemical treatments like iodine tablets or chlorine drops are lightweight and easy to carry. Follow the instructions carefully, and always wait the recommended time before drinking. Section 4. Building a DIY solar still. In extreme cases, when no water is available, you can create your own with a solar still. All you need is a plastic sheet, a container, and some green vegetation. Dig a hole in a sunny area, place a container at the bottom, and fill the hole with vegetation. Cover the hole with a plastic sheet, weighing down the edges with rocks. Place a small rock in the center to create a low point over the container. As the sun heats the vegetation, water will evaporate, condense on the plastic, and drip into the container. Section 5. Understanding the risks of contaminated water. Drinking contaminated water can be more dangerous than dehydration. Waterborne diseases like cholera, dysentery, and giardiasis can incapacitate or even kill. Always assume any untreated water is contaminated, and take steps to purify it before drinking. Invest in a reliable water filter, purification tablets, and learn how to make a DIY filter. Being prepared can mean the difference between life and death. In a water crisis, your knowledge and preparation will be your greatest assets. Remember, finding and purifying water is a skill that must be practiced. Don't wait until it's too late. As always, prepare today, survive tomorrow. Stay safe and stay hydrated. Thanks for watching episode 9 of our SHTF Survival Series on Doomsday-Prepper. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.